Welcome. If you have found this video, is because you need patent translation services. There are plenty of options that can provide translations of general documents, but when the content is very technical, you need a specialized service such as Patenteams.
At Patenteams, we provide with quality guaranteed by more than 20 years of experience, supervised work processes, flexible payment terms, and the necessary confidentiality. With us, you will get a team of multilingual professionals specialized in industrial property, who will take care of processing the documents while you take care of what you do best: your business.
We offer translation of patents in 5 languages: English, Spanish, French, Portuguese and Italian, and all combinations thereof. The scope of our services covers 40 fields of knowledge, thanks to the different backgrounds and nationalities of our translators. From translations of engineering and communication patents to inventions in the pharmaceutical and biological fields, Patenteams assigns each translation project to the most suitable team of specialists in the company.
It's true, you can instruct one of your employees to translate the patents you need to file. However, being bilingual does not imply having the expertise to perform a proper translation process. Remember that translation is more about context, rather than simple vocabulary substitution.
By working with Patenteams, you can minimize rejection of filed patents, avoid loss of protection due to inadequate translations, and stay away from additional costs due to conflicts or delays to economically exploiting the invention.
We invite you to contact us at patenteams.com to learn more about our company. You can then request a free trial of our service before choosing us as your patent translation team. We are Patenteams, protecting human creativity, one translation at a time.